Hi friends, welcome to ENG World. Here I'm with a mechanical topic which is related to gas turbines. Right? Gas turbines. For understanding the gas turbines, we should go through the constructional details and later we'll go through the function. Here is our topic. Gas turbine. Right? Gas turbines. Where do we use these gas turbines? In power generation, right? In aviation, in jet propulsion. So the turbochargers which used in automobile engines is also similar to the construction of these gas turbines, right? In that particular thing, we don't have any combustion chamber. We have compressor, turbine, and which we have in gas turbines also, right? Here comes the constructional details of gas turbine. I take this one as a section, this one as turbine with fins. So this one as a compressor, and if this one is attached, if this particular turbine is attached to a structure like this called turbine, remember that the compressor and turbine are mounted rigidly on a similar shaft, the same shaft. Here comes the thing. Here we have a casing. Right? Here comes the casing. Here comes a extension like this, and here we'll have the structure, and here comes the casing. Here comes the casing which closes this turbine section, and here a vent which is open to atmosphere. Here we have port. If I take this particular outside line as a casing, right? Casing. This casing encloses this section which we can call as compressor, and this one is the shaft, and here we have a turbine wheel, and this one, and here this particular one is called as combustion chambers, right? Here the air. So let's find out the important parts which are included in this gas turbine. Here this one is the compressor, inlet port. Here combustion chamber. Here this one is also combustion chamber, right? This is the turbine section. Turbine. This is the turbine, and here we have a nozzle, or so we call it as a nozzle. So nozzle. So these are the basic parts which are included in any kind of gas turbine. So how do it function? What happens here? This is the port, right? This is the opening, right? In this direction. So the air is going to be admitted, right? When actually this particular shaft is going to be connected with a prime mover, which may be a motor or a prime mover which rotates this complete section. Right? Here comes the compression, and when the compression starts to rotate, what happens? It sucks air from atmosphere. Right? It increases the pressure of that particular air. Right? It increases the pressure of that particular air, and it forces towards this combustion chamber, through this combustion chamber, right? Through this combustion chamber. What happens? We have a general law, right? T is directly proportional to T and inversely proportional to V. Look at here. here the pressure increases, right? The pressure increasing, which means the temperature increasing, right? Here the high temperature and high pressure air is going to be introduced into this particular combustion chamber, and here we have a fuel injector, right, which inject fuel into this particular charges compressed air, and a spark plug also be provided in this particular combustion chambers, which ignites the air fuel mixture. So later it results in a, a forceful flue gases, which results in a forced flue gases uh, to escape from this direction away from this combustion chamber, right? And just next to the combustion chamber we have turbine section, right? Turbines, this turbine section, what happens when this forceful flue gases touches the blades of the turbine, what happens, the turbine starts spinning, turbine starts to spin, right, in this direction, right? The flue gases are traveling, which means the flue gases are hitting the blades of turbine, which means it, the tangential force, uh, this turbine after hitting the flue gases, what happens, it rotates, uh, if one blade is rotating, another blade is getting ready itself to get heated by the flue gases. What happens, we have fins on very surface of this particular turbine section. So what happens when flue gases hits this fins of turbine section, what happens, the turbine starts to rotate, and we have turbine section and compressor section is connected via a same shaft. They are rigidly mounted on this particular shaft. This is the connecting shaft, and here we have some oil galleries, right, for lubricating this rotational shaft, rotating shaft. So here what happens, when turbine rotates, compression also rotates, and the drive is directly transmitted to the turbine. So here compression section, what happens, the compressor continuously sucking air from the atmosphere and increasing its pressure and transferring it through combustion chamber. So here comes the thing, and this cycle is continuously going on. If we have this particular mechanism in aviation vehicles like aeroplanes or fighter jets, so here we have a nozzle, right? Here the burnt flue gases are forced away from this through this nozzle. What happens? It creates a thrust, right? It creates a thrust. In the opposite way, what happens? We have a moment. So, in this law, what happens? The fighter jets and aviation vehicles, aeroplanes are going to be operated. If we attached, if we attach this particular shaft with a prime mover or a generator, what happens? The shaft, here the turbine section is set to rotation, functioning, here working. So under working, what happens? The shaft, if this shaft is connected to a generator, what happens when the shaft starts to rotate? The generator section also starts to rotate, and here the result is conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy is going to taking place here. The rotation means mechanical energy, and here comes the electrical energy out from this particular generator. So here this is construction. This is the basic construction and basic working of gas turbine. Up to here, this basic concept has been completed. In the next video, we'll go to the concept which are interlinked with this gas turbine topic. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the world. So AMG World. Click on the bell icon to have updates. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to AMG World.